Here's baby Gemma. Gem. Hi, Gem. Hi, baby girl. And there's good mama. What you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Gem. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you? Hi, Gem Gem. Hi, Gem Gem. Look at her. Her legs are going back. They're getting better. Hi, Gem. What are you doing? She's got green eyes. Really cool. Hi, Gemma. Hi. Oh, you kissing her. she's a licker. Hi, Gem Gem. What you doing? She's a good girl, huh? Look at her. She's very healthy. She's very curious. Hi. Good girl. She's a good girl. Hi. You very curious? You gonna eat my coat? You gonna eat my hat? Whoa. Camera hog. Yes, I'm salty, huh? Is that good stuff? Oh. You're trying to suck on my finger. Hi, Gem Gem Gem. She's a pretty girl. She sure is a pretty girl. And very curious. You don't have no num-nums. One little white patch right there. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, let's see your confirmation. Oh, look at that. Look at that pretty girl. You are pretty, aren't ya? It's a pretty girl. Hi, show off. Gemma, you're a good girl. You are. Mama looks great. Don't you, Diamond? Mama looks good. Pretty mama. Yep. You look good, baby girl. You want to hog the camera some more, don't ya? Good girl. Hmm? What you doing, Ma? Hey, Gem. Hey, girl. Diamond? Magic Gem, huh? How about that? Diamond's Magic Gem. That's her name, I think. What a good girl you are. You're eating like a big girl.